Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be using baking soda and Dawn soap to get rid of the glue that's on your glass bottle. So first you want to make a pasty mixture. Now if the label is, and I lost the footage to this, I don't know, my phone is doing its own thing. I thought we were recording, but we were not. So if the label refused to come off, what you can do is pour hot water into the bottle and then let it sit for a while. After it cools down, you're going to remove the original label that came with the bottle. But for this process, I want to keep this bottle. If you remember, I have a shorts on here that my husband brought me lunch while I was at work. I thought I'd save these bottles because they're so cute. Plus, I think I'm preferring to have glass bottles now more than plastic. So with the mixture, you're just gonna put it all over the bottle. All over the bottle, and then you're going to let it sit. Let it sit, let it dry. And then after you let it dry, use a scouring pad or a scrubber to just get it off. That worked for me. I mean, it takes a little bit of time, but the bottles will be nice and shiny once you're done. And I have this one on the stove because I'm going to be cleaning the stove in a minute as well. So this will also be good for cleaning the stove. Okay, so I have it on the two bottles now, and so we're just gonna let these two, so it's actually 3 bottles all together. I'm just gonna let these two sit on here and I'll come right back. All right folks, so it's been well over 10 minutes and so it's dried, and then like right there you can see the sticky coming off of this bottle, and so I'm just gonna be using water and scrubber to get this off. And if you've gotten this far in the video and you've not yet subscribed, consider subscribing because it means that you've found this video helpful, and subscribing will help us a great deal. And this one comes off so easily. Look at that. It's going off so easily. You probably could use a scouring pad as well to get this off, but I just thought that this would be easier, and so that's what I'm using right now. So if you've had your bottles and you like the bottle and you're not sure what to do, this is a great way to restore those bottles, and you know, that way you don't have to go out and purchase new ones. So this one, these two I'll probably be using for juice because my husband and I are planning on going back on our green juice plan, so I'll be using these bottles for that, to transport my juice to work. I mean, you can use it for whatever you want. You can use it for storing liquids, whatever you want to store in here, but you've got yourself a brand new bottle with no label and no sticky residue. All right, there it is guys, like new. If you did like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with someone.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.